Hello friends, in last video we saw about how to use a math operator and we did some function. In this video we're going to utilize if and else statement. We're going to make a sum program. That's where we're going to check whether if it is a age is 21, then we're going to allow them. If it is a not age greater than 21 or equal to, we're going to not allowing them. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and let's get started. So as you can see, I have already created my HTML and it's like very basic HTML, and you can see the starting HTML, ending HTML. There is a head section, right? Inside the head I have a title, I have a body, and I specified my script tag. Inside that script tag I'm going to write my code. Okay, so let's start it. So we're going to make a program. So let's say there is a sort of bar, and we allowing people who has the age either 21 or greater than 21. Okay, so how we going to do it? Let's start. So I'm going to create a one variable, let age equal to 21, let's say 20. Okay, if so, here we're going to check. So how we going to write a if and else? Okay, so if, and there is a parenthesis, and in parenthesis we're going to provide a condition. What condition we want to provide? So here we want to check if either age supposed to be 21 or greater than 21, it's going to allow. Okay, so first I'm going to make one small mistake and I'm going to tell why. And age is greater than 21, and here I would say document dot right line, and I would say welcome and have a drink. Okay, so if, then parenthesis, in parenthesis we provide our condition, and there is a braces, curly brace, and we provide whatever we want to print. If it is only one condition, we actually don't need curly braces, but for a practice I want to do that one. So even if it is a more, if anyway it's a work in a one condition or it is a more condition. Okay, so that's a great way to do practice. And in else I would say if it is not greater than 21, so I would say I'm going to copy that one, and I would say please wait until you are 21 year old. Okay, and let's check. So right now age is 21. What's supposed to be specified? Which condition? Supposed to be this one. Okay, so how are you going to run? Right click on an index. Either you can select open in other browser and select any browser you want to do it, or open in default browser. I already have my live server, and if you don't know how to do it, it's in my first video. So basically select extension from here, and I chose that one. Reason behind I'm choosing because I don't have to actually refresh anytime. Okay, so as soon as I control S, I'm going to save, and if I check, and it's right here, I don't have to do like refresh every time. That's the reason I'm using. Okay, so here as you can see, please wait until you are 21 year old, right? Because age is 20. And now what about if I do 21, right? What should be printing? Let's check. It still says please wait until you are 21. Reason behind I said age is like if age is greater than 21, right? So if I do equal to, so that what it's mean now, if age is either 21 or greater than 21, right, then that basically that's going to that message going to print. Okay, If I save this one, and now it says welcome and have a drink. Okay, if I say 22, still same thing, welcome and have a drink. But if I say 18, it says please wait until you are 21 years old. So that's how we're going to write if and else statement. In next video we're going to see what if we have more than one condition. Okay, so we're going to make some sort of this type of program, and we will see you next video. Hope you like my video, and if you like it, please share and subscribe, and we will see you next video where we're going to do if else and like more condition with the if else. Okay, bye bye.